And this is another My Jeep update, February 28th. I believe it's Tuesday. I'll check that date, time out. And as you can see, as I said in my last video, I'm getting everything laid out to assemble this EVAPs, canister, hoses, pumps. And there's my gas tank. The reason it looks so complicated more than it really is because I got a lot of extra hoses, new hoses that I need to replace old hoses with, and that's one of the things I'll be doing. But I got a good diagram now, and I'm pretty sure I can match up and figure out where hoses and connections go. And the gas hooking up to the gas tank won't be that big a deal. I just got to make sure I get the right hoses from the canister, and I believe one of them goes to the purge valve, and I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm just guessing again. Anyway, I'll figure it out. I'll get back with you on an update. My Jeep out.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this laid out. I just got my platform for the housing, the charcoal canister housing, just hanging in place right now. I'm trying to get a grip on how this is all going to go back together. Slowly figuring it out, and I've had this apart for a long time, so I've got to find bolts and other parts that go to it. Anyway, we'll get it done.